In the realm of comics, Marvel and DC have been the pioneers of several decades worth of stories featuring characters in the superhero genre. Despite having two iconic and influential characters transcend the medium, DC struggled to produce a feature-length film starring both the Dark Knight and the Man of Steel. However, after several years of planning, the company finally achieved its goal. In 2016, Captain America: Civil War and Batman v Superman were the most anticipated comic book movies of the year, which led to a box office rivalry. As a result, fans began making comparisons between both films on numerous occasions. In today's video, I will discuss my perspective on the subject to answer the question, is Captain America: Civil War better than Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice?